Most people think great guacamole is about the ingredients. But at Wade Media Labs, we found that the secret is actually mechanical force. We launched the Cellular Rupture test to compare two methods, the clean cut of a professional knife versus the heavy crush of a traditional stone molcajete. We analyzed the resulting mixtures using high magnification microscopy and aromatic sensors. We were looking for the total release of volatile organic compounds from the aromatics. A knife is designed to minimize damage, slicing between cell walls. But crushing causes total cellular rupture, force releasing essential oils and enzymes that a blade simply cannot reach. The result is a superior emulsification. Crushing releases more of the avocado's natural fats, creating a creamy suspension that carries flavor compounds across the palate more effectively. Our sensors recorded a 40% increase in volatile aromatics from the crushed garlic and onion compared to the diced samples. It isn't just a different texture, it's a different chemical profile. If you want the best flavor, stop cutting and start crushing. In the workshop of the kitchen, mechanical disruption is the key to maximum extraction. See the full microscopy logs, the aromatic data, and our top-rated mortar and pestle audits at cookwarescout.com.